Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to rename a file or folder in Google Drive. So, a computer file, it is a computer resource for storing your data. And a folder, it is used for organizing your files. To learn more about the difference between file and folder, you can come back here later. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So I am inside my Google Drive. So let's say if I want to rename this file, all I have to do is right click on this, left click on rename, and then add the new name. Let's say serve for you file. So now the name has been renamed. Now if you want to rename a folder, let's say I want to rename this folder, I can right click on it, then click on rename, then just add the new name. Now the name has been changed from Cloud2 to Google Cloud. So this is how you can rename files and folders. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have learned how to rename a file or folder in Google Drive. Thank you for watching.